In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on screen time on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. Then tap on Screen Time, and in order to turn it on, hit Add Turn on Screen Time. With the screen time enabled, you will get weekly reports and you will be able to set content and privacy restrictions and also downtime and app limits. To turn it on, hit Add Turn on Screen Time. Then select whether it's your phone or it's your child's phone. I'm gonna select this is my iPhone. And that's where you can set up screen time. You can set downtime if you wish. You can add app limits. So let's say if you want to limit usage of Facebook app by 1 hour a day, you can easily do that in here. Also, you can set communication limits, always allowed users and apps, content and privacy restrictions, and you can set screen time passcode right here by hitting Add Use Screen Time Passcode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.